Peace, y'all. I just wanted to jump in real fast to show y'all something. This is what I'm noticing for Netflix only. Only for Netflix. This is why these fair value gaps is important. You gotta understand which one are important. They have so many different types of fair value gaps. But I'm not gonna get into the types. I just want you to see how price always pull back until the fair value gaps, or sometimes the price will stop within it and then pull back from the top of the fair value gap to the bottom of it and determine what either the top is going to get broken going up or the bottom is going to get broken going down. That would determine, okay, if that happened, you got to look for the next gap. That's how you basically find price action. So we in a great position because this is the very beginning of an uptrend. So with that being said, we're looking at the weekly time frame, right? What I'm noticing, we don't have no moving averages from this 21, which says 95 to the 144, which is 79. I know we're not going back that low. So we need to find prices in between those prices, which was 90, 95, and 79. So this is how we go back. We go back to when we was gapping up. We see this is a fair value gap here. 1, 2, and 3. And this is another one. 1, 2, and 3. And you have a small one here too. Small gap here. 1, 2, and 3. So as you notice, we right in this one, right? The low of this candle was 95.73. The high of this candle is 86, right? The high of this candle is 92.91, 92.71, 91.80 closing though. That's very key. So now I want to break it down. I'm going to show you why I like these moving averages. We're going to go to the daily first. I have the 400 exponential moving average. I'm going to show you that price. That price at 94.85, right? But now when we go to the 50-day moving average and the 21-day moving average, that's that 86.90. And then you got 86.95. Very close to this high. See that? 86.90, y'all. Right? Peep game. Peep game. So we're going to go back to the daily. We done found the prices coming back down. And what that's going to do? That's going to cover this big ass gap right here. And then we should start going back up. But don't get me wrong. This daily is strong as a bitch. It's very strong. So, got to be very patient. Got to be patient. And sometimes you don't always get your exact price. You might get very close. $1, $2 off. That's okay. You gotta know how to take those profits. You know what I'm saying? So that's Netflix from what I'm noticing. You know, let me break it down some more. We go to the 4 hours, right? We look at the moving averages. We go to the 200 EMA. This is at 85.25. The 144 is the gray line. That's 86.55. We go back to the weekly and look at the highs, 86.90, and look at the close, 85.81. So all these joints is lining up where it's supposed to be. So if we was to crack this support right here at 95, you know we go into 91. And if we crack 91, You know we going to 86, 85. Plain and simple, y'all. But for the ones that got in early with me, y'all good. We still good. We don't have to sell, but this is the time when you might have extra capital and you can buy some more either shares or some more options. You might want to go a little further out. You might want to go closer, don't go too far. There's ways to mix it up according to your capital. So this is going to be a good ride, y'all. A very good ride. You just got to pay attention to these support levels and, take advantage of these long-term plays, yo. With that being said, y'all, I get with y'all in the next video. Peace. All right.